First time that we kissed, I was like, oh my god. Hey yo, hey, you made me say, oh my god. Hey yo, first time that we kissed, I was like, oh my god. Hey yo, hey, you made me say, oh my god. Hey yo, I didn't believe in love at first sight, but it's funny what a little bit of MDMA could do to you. Yeah, it took away you, but I like us better when we're sober. The party's over. You're the drug, you're the drug, you're the drug. Yeah, I like you better when we're sober. The party's over. You're the drug, you're the drug, you're the drug. First time that we danced, I was like, oh my god. Hey yo, hey, you made me say, oh my god. Hey yo, last time that we loved, I was like, oh my god. Hey yo, hey, you made me say, oh my god. Hey yo, I didn't believe in love at first sight, but it's funny what a little bit of MDMA could do to you. Yeah, it took away you, but I like us better when we're sober. The party's over. You're the drug, you're the drug, you're the drug. Yeah, I like you better when we're sober. The party's over. You're the drug, you're the drug, you're the drug. was like, oh my god. Hey yo, hey, you made me say, oh my god. Hey yo, last time that we loved, I was like, oh my god. Hey yo, hey, you made me say, oh my god. Hey yo, I didn't believe in love at first sight, but it's funny what a little bit of envy make could do to you. Yeah, I took it with you, but I like us better when it's over. The party's over. You're the drug, you're the drug, you're the drug. Yeah, I like you better when it's over. The party's over. You're the drug, you're the drug, you're the drug.
Should be doing, don't feel like chewing on that right now. I want my CBD latte with my blood in the sand, so I can plan what happens next. I've got a list beyond Atlantis. I feel good and accomplished. Things are picking up now. I'm diving into a little comfort, just a means to consort with a mind that yields hard. We take a trip and do some yoga, meditate, then turn it over, so we can go back to the grind. Icing a burn helps what's at hand, but the flame still takes command, and then I'm left to soothe the scars.
I'm loving where I am, and I love where I'm going. Will you hold my hand when we leave the ground? I want sweet relief, not an answer to my problem.